start the Hilux Spartan Bulba. Should include cradle, recovery points, the balance bracket, regio plate bracket, the bash plate, and the wing as well. It includes 4 fog lights as well, and like headlight infills. That's it. We're gonna start now. Start by taking this cover off, the inner cover. One, you can just put it on the side. Open the grill as well by opening this 10 mm, 4 10 mm. Then just loosen these two here. Unplug the radar here. That's it, your grill is out. Let's just put this one on the side. We have to put it back later. Move the bumper. This one here. Undoing all the clips on the side and all the bolts at the bottom. You can open the bull bar by just popping this one. That's it. We have to cut this part later. Put back. Already open the bumper bar. We start to opening all the plastic bits and pieces. Of the cradle. Just keep the bolts on the side, you might use it later. Pop it out. One as well. I'm just cutting off the clips. We're not using it anyway. Infills here, we have to open it. Then put back the factory bolt. Same thing, do this one on the other side. Red clips, when you're pulling it out, you have to pull it as well. Beautiful. Open this one. Yeah, keep this one on the side, you have to put it later. So now we have to paint this side and this side so that when we put the bull bar, you won't notice the gap. It's just the color as well. So we have to tape it first. So we have to put the masking tape first. So we have to put masking tape on the other side as well. Yeah, right. That is inside and under the headlight here. Cradle now, guys. to put the cradle on, use the factory bolts. Yeah, for now you want to keep this one loose so that later if we put the bulba, we can just align it side to side. Okay, so now this one as well. Washer, lock washer. Then washer at the back. Then the nut. So we put the bolts of the cradle. We have to put the recovery points now. To keep it loose for the min. So after we put the fog lights on, we have to put the headlight infills, and these holes are for the sensor. This one, this one, and that one. So the metal out, and then you can put the sensor. If you don't have a sensor, you know. To align now. Go. You got like 20 mil of gap here for the flex of the bulba. When you do off-roading, it's not gonna rub on your fender. Just make sure you just flush it on the fender here. And the cradle now, so that it won't gonna move. You have to tighten all the bolts here, so that it's not gonna move. But if you okay with the alignment, tighten everything. You have to cut here on this section, yeah, and this one as well. You need to put like a masking tape first and cut it straight here. I'll just have to clean these excess parts here. And then, yeah, so guys, we have to cut this part here. You can have a look here. Why? If I put the grill on this particular Hilux, right? It got a gap here, big holes. So I have to get that part of the bumper and put it here. Yep. Beautiful. Okay. Inch weld here. So like that. Gotta measure first. So put it here from here. Right. Then it slides all the way to the top. Yep. Yep. And then cut this part. Yep. Put this one on. Then put the grill back on. Yep. Otherwise later you can't reach this one because of the grill. This one as well. Nice and tight. Tucked in. And tighten it. We have to put the grill now. Yep. It just clips right in there. We can tighten the grill now. Everything that we opened earlier, just put it back. Plug the connector back as well. Plug the cover to the clips. This bracket. Yeah, you have to line it up here and from here. Do the same thing on this side. We have to put the wing. After all the wiring is done, tightening of the cradle is done, we have to put this one. But before that, we have to line this one first for the cutting. Yep. That's it. The radio plate bracket here. You have to put this one first and then put the radio plate number here. Now we have to put this one on. Now you can attach the number plate on. Now we have to put the wing now, together with the back. Yeah, after that, don't tighten it as yet. We have to put the other side and then connect the bash plate and then tighten all of them together. Yep, both wings are done. Now for the bash plate. This is what I was talking about, guys. If you tighten the wing first, it will be hard for you to align this bash plate. So better you tighten them together. Now we are tightening now. After that, just attach the number plate and the D-shackle.